you've done to me. You got me swimming in ecstasy.
Hi guys! Freeloader! Kakatapos na namin mag-register sa e-job. Hi guys! So,
Settle in for your flight.
booking
To help keep the
Windows
please
ito naman
avoid
ako.
taking photos or videos of your fellow passengers ng inyong kapwa pasahero. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt.
Guys, so nakapasa na kami sa immigration. Kukunin na namin yung luggage bag namin. May problema kami kasi like wala kaming wifi. I mean, may wifi dito sa airport. But like, yung isip namin, hindi namin alam kung paano i-set up and stuff. And it's like 1:30 a.m. or 2 na. 1 hour away from kami sa titirahan namin. Let's see kung paano kayo makakadating. From there, inikot naman yan papunta doon. Mali, dito lahat ng sa side yung dapat namin sakyan. So, tumakbo kami kasi we thought aalis na siya by 3:50. But, 3:50 pa lang pala siya nagpasakay. So, hiningal kami doon. But anyway, we got the good seat here in front. Time check. Time check, it's 5:15. Tin, umiikot pa rin kami. Literally lost. Wi-Fi is life. It's already 6:18 a.m. Natulog pa lang kami na while after ko maghilamos. And di ko alam kung matutuloy pa kami later, but I'll see. Hi! But before we go there sa Disneyland, we're gonna grab some food muna. Gutom na, Sai. Gutom siya.
Bahala kayo dun.
It's literally raining right now. Hindi na ko alam kung lalakas pa to or what. But I hope not. So on the way kami ngayon sa Crosser train station. And then we're going to stop at Central. And then lilipat kami sa Sunny Bay. Okay, we're going here. George Park Shop. And then once it pero papasok pa lang kami sa may pilahan sa ticketing and nag-stop over pa kasi kami sa may market stop to like sukat lang ng mga headbands. Hindi kami bumili kasi ang mahal guys, it's like 1,080 pesos. That's a no. Pila na kami and it's been like ilang minutes na tayo nag-pila?
I think mga 30 na.
Put me in summer and I'll be a
Happy snowman?
You will not try. Would you walk in my car today? Have a seat.
I wanna buy this, guys. It's only $139. It smells like strawberries. Overall! Ikaw, Sai.
Mas matagal kasi isang takot lang, tapos wala na. Yung maganda siya sana if mga
Pag matagal.
parang Vikings katagal.
Yung in-avail namin is 160 lang yung pwede. So mag-a-add na lang kami ng $5 and then another $40 for that. Hi guys, so nasa fast lane tayo ngayon. Yung pila na walang fast lane.
Dami na naman kaming na-skip.
Eh, ito.
Yeah, here.
So, tayo na yung next guys. Ma, parang jungle? Di ba parang jungle? Tingin.
So cool.
Okay, anyway. At dahil nakuha na nila yung ito daw at ito. Gusto nila kunin ko to. Oh, so are they. Anyways, I'm gonna get that. So, let's see. This is our what?
Last ride na kasi anong oras na, hindi namin mag-load ng fireworks.
Yeah. It's our final destination now. Restaurant ni Sai. na sobrang sikat dito sa Hong Kong. We're on our way to the hotel. So we're here na guys. Mini hotel ang tawag. Green, then di pa tayo sa Ocean Park. South Island tayo. Dito na kami sa Almira and then diretso kami ngayon sa South Island Line papuntang Ocean Park. Doon yung Ocean Park.
Andiyan ko yung person na sabi natin.
Roller coaster, yung may umiikot-ikot and stuff. So, yeah, we're gonna ride this one. Guys, this is so cute. Like, what the freaky? Parang titira ko. Hindi yung ibang stock. Pagkatapos na namin sila tingnan, so kumakain naman sila ko. I mean yung si KK guys. KK yung name. Kumakain lang siya, hindi siya masyado lumapit. Hi guys! So it's our last day and nag-pictorial na lang kami. So nagliligpit na sila mga sa hotel. Kasi dapat before 11 and it's currently like 10:45-ish. So, hindi namin bumalik. And nagpabili sila ng water. Kasi mga wala ko yan. It's raining as well. Hi guys, so naka-check out na kami and iiwan lang namin yung luggage namin dito sa lobby. Tapos gagala muna kami kasi 2:20 AM pa ng Sunday yung flight namin Saturday. So, I'll check.